Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to use HitPaw voice changer. So first, you will have to go to online.hitpaw.com, and then you will go to the audio AI section and you will look for voice changer. However, if it's not visible for you, then you can just search it up on your Google Chrome and then just click on it. And once you find it, you will just have to download it, and then you will have to install it. Now, after installing it, you will just open the app and connect your mic and then select your input and output devices. You will then see a list of voice presets like robot, male to female, echo, or celebrities voice filters. You can try speaking into the mic to hear your voice change in real time. You can use it for live calls, gaming, streaming, or just recording altered audio. It's beginner friendly and works instantly. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.